Hey everyone! If your Facebook videos keep lagging or buffering, don't worry, here's how to fix the video lag. Let's get started. So first, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Then next, clear the Facebook cache. Go to your settings and click the apps and select the app management and click Facebook. Then here select the storage and you can clear the cache. And after that, you can also update your Facebook app. Just open your Play Store, then tap Update if available. And after updating your Facebook, you can now restart your phone because sometimes a simple restart fixes app performance issues. If the problem continues, you can also uninstall and reinstall the app for a refresh setup. And that's it. Your Facebook videos should now play smoothly without lag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.